Student's life. Student's life is a golden period of everyone. A student's life is a valuable everyone. It is the happiest time in life. Student's life is a life of learning. The first duty of students is to work and acquire knowledge. Students should be disciplined and punctual. Students should obey his elders and teachers. Student life has many advantages. A student should focus on his studies as well as games. Student's life is a vital part of everyone's life. Thank you.